Last one was flying. Say what? Others in Windstorm. Oh, bro. What? Okay, that's strong. By the way, only those who love their mom are able to press the like button on this video. Okay. That was cool, by the way. Bro, some windstorms are so scary. Where do you guys live? Anyone from Florida? Like where the actual storms are kind of normal? Okay, this guy. Oh, by the way, only those who are watching this video on Friday are going to be able to hit the subscribe button, but anyone else any other day are not going to be able to subscribe, guys. So I'm gonna let you. Right, this guy was gonna... Wait, what?